She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome back to my channel. For this style, I'm using hair from YWigs. This is their Springy Afro Twist Human hair, and it is 24 inches long, but they do have other lengths available. I did get 3 packs, but ended up only needing 2 packs, so I used 2 packs total for this style in particular. The hair does come pre-sectioned, so it makes it really easy to just grab and go. I wanted to show you guys how you can just easily grab it. I tried to just grab one section, but I ended up grabbing 2 sections. So this is actually 2 sections, but for each individual twist that I did, I only used 1 section of the hair. For the products, I'm using BTL braiding gel as well as Shine and Jam in the orange container, and I wanted to show you guys the difference in what your twist will look like depending on the direction that you're twisting your 2-strand twist in. So the twist that I did on the left side is actually being twisted going to the right. So when I'm doing the 2-strand twist, the twists were going to the right. I don't particularly like the look of this twist. I prefer the look of the twist on the right. This twist is actually being twisted going to the left. So the 2 strands were being twisted together going to the left. Now I can't say if you should always do your 2-strand twist going to the left, because I don't know if that's true. I just know for this hair in particular that I was using, the twists came out better in my opinion, at least for what I was going for. They came out better when I was twisting it going to the left. So I just suggest that you try it both ways and then see which way you like better and do all your twists in that direction. So because my 2-strand twist had to be twisted going to the left, my flat twist also has to be twisted going to the left, which I suck at. I am not good at twisting to the left. I kind of mastered twisting it going to the right as far as like a flat twist, but I can't do it the opposite way. So I'm using the end of the rat tail comb to help me with that. You guys seen how I did that there. If you're able to just do it with your hands or do it with the comb, like the regular side of the comb, then go ahead and do what you can do to get that flat twist in. But once I twisted it, then I'm just going to kind of split that hair in half and wrap it around about 3-4 times. And I'm not twisting, I'm wrapping. I'm wrapping one half of the hair around the other half of the hair. And then I am going to take a small section of the Afro twist hair and lay it flat up against those 2 strands. And then I'm going to twist that within the natural hair. So I'm twisting this section, and then I'm twisting the other section. And now I'm going to twist it together, and remember this, for this hair I'm twisting it together going to the left. So as I'm twisting it together, those strands are going to the left. I twist it about 2 to 3 times, and then I add in my second piece of the Afro twist hair, and this piece is a little bit bigger than the first, and I'm going to show you like the amount and everything a little later, so I'll do this a couple times. But doing the same thing, adding it in the same way, and I'm just going to continue to twist it all the way to the bottom. So I twist this all the way to the very bottom, and I just kind of twirled it around my fingers at the ends, and then I used a clip to kind of making sure to hold the flat twist in place. You want to make sure you're using enough product so that way it's really holding that. And this is one section, so this is what I mean by I used one section on each twist, but this is how I'm splitting up that section. So this section on the right, that's the first piece that's going to go in, and then the section on the left is going to be this bigger piece that will go in after the first. So I hope that makes sense. And you don't have to use that same exact braiding gel that I'm using, but you do want some type of more thicker extreme hold gel. So like Lock and Twist, even Shine and Jam in the red jar if you have it, and if you don't have anything but the Shine and Jam in the orange container, you can use that as well, but I do strongly recommend using some type of gel that has more of a thicker consistency or more of an extreme hold for this style. And I'm just going to call these invisible 2-strand twists. These resemble the 2-strand twist starter locks, but these are not permanent locks. These are only temporary, so I don't think people would call these starter locks. So we're just going to go with invisible 2-strand twists. These were my first time attempting these, so I'm not sure how long the roots would last or if they would last at all. But then I realized like these are very similar again to the 2-strand starter locks. So you know how people do the starter locks and then they just split the hair in 2 sections and then just do 2-strand twists. It's similar to this, except they're just not adding extensions. So I'm like, okay, well, these gotta last if other people can do like the starter locks with no extension. This is the only difference here is we're adding extensions, so they should be able to still hold. I would say the only thing is, again, is the product that you're using is making sure you're getting some type of jam or gel that is like extra hold, you know, thick consistency, so that way you can get a good hold on it. And then also making sure that you're using your clips as you go. Every twist that I'm doing, I'm keeping the clips on there until I'm completely done with the style, so that way they have been holding there for a couple hours. I told my client to let me know how the roots hold up, so I'm going to follow up with her in a couple weeks to see if they held up pretty good or how they did. So I'll be able to update you guys maybe in the comments or maybe by doing another video and let you guys know. So just give me a couple weeks to see how they kind of do, to be able to know for sure. I don't want to tell you guys, yes, guaranteed that the roots will hold up for 3 to 6 weeks and not know for sure. So just give me a little bit and I'll be able to let you guys know. And then I went ahead and tried to show you guys maybe a different angle. Hopefully this helps. I'm not sure, but yeah, I try to just position the camera a little bit differently so you guys can see it from a different direction. Let me know if you've tried this style before. Let me know down in the comments if it's held up or how you liked it. We would like to know. Or even if you only did like the starter locks 2-strand twist without the extensions, let me know how that did for you as well down in the comments below. I'm sure everyone else would be curious to know. But yeah, again, the hair that we're using is from YWigs, 24 inches long. I use a total of 2 packs of the hair, and the link to the hair will be down in the description below if you guys want to go and check it out, as well as the link to the products. If you're interested in how to part for this style, then check out this video linked above. This is a how to part tutorial that you can apply for this style. But if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Here is the finishing result. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. I hope you guys be blessed. Stay protected. Stay filled with love and peace.